Case name Abhay Charan, age is 19 years and today date is 5th of January 2026. I want speech sample before starting the voice therapy. From where you came, why you came to our center?
Sir, my name is Abhay Charan. I came from Kurnool district. I am suffering from high pitch voice problem. So that's why I came here, sir.
So what happened when you talk, especially on the phone?
Sir, my voice is high pitch. Sometimes others can't even hear my voice.
Post therapy video of Abhay, and today date is 9th of January 2026. Abhay, why you came here and how do you feel after the voice therapy?
Hi sir, my name is Abhay Charan. So I was suffering from high pitch voice problem. So now I'm feeling good. So my voice was very low before. So now my voice is very good. I can feel that confidence and all.
So when you called to your friends, what was the reactions after the treatment?
Sir, they were unable to recognize me, and they called me and video called me, and they told me to show me your face, and then only I will believe and all. So
from which place you came?
Sir, I came from Adoni, Kurnool district, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, so thanks for your faith on us and thanks for coming from so far distance.
Thank you.
And we are very happy that you have improved and your confidence has also improved. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes in his voice, like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching.